camera anymore. It's currently Sunday morning. Sunday morning rain is falling. Still some cover shares some skin. Signal right, cause I am getting on the freeway, girl. Not to make the road I am in. Driving to Irvine, somewhere around Irvine. Don't really have a definite plan yet, but I think I'm gonna find some parking near UCI, and I don't know, kind of want to bike around the campus, see if it's open. Got my bike in the back seat, had to disassemble the front tire so it could fit, as I currently do not have a bike rack attached to my car. So yeah, but first time testing out this angle. The GoPro is affixed to the, what is this called again? The visor? Oh, I totally forgot the name of this. I don't know if you can see this in the camera, but I think that blocks sun with the mirror, whatever that is. Yeah, it's attached to that, so that's the kind of angle you're getting. And I'm gonna go for a quick ride. I don't know how long yet, maybe around 10 miles. Nothing too long. And yeah. Just wanted to try this thing out. The style auto locking. Wearing my Mulan shirt that I got from the movie theaters. I don't know if you can fully see it, but this is the GoPro strap I'm wearing. Sorry, switching lanes, can't talk. Signal, mirror, oh, there's a car, never mind, unsignal. Alright, signal, mirror, over the shoulder, go! A signal and switch lanes because the car in front of me was going pretty slow, but they ended up moving over, so let me go ahead and greet this fellow driver. Thank you. Okay, now we pass them. She lights going up. She lights me up. She breaks me up. She lifts me up. The clouds behind him, Main Street, Georgia Street, miles below me. Up, let us down, oh. car behind me was trying to go to the left lane exit off the 73 South exit and did a quick reroute. Just went whoosh, left to right. They weren't committed. I don't know where I'm gonna park. We'll see. Could find places around Harvard, maybe. I wonder what the current state of the parking lots at UCI are. I wonder if they're free. I don't want to risk it though. Maybe I'll find parking somewhere around the streets there. I'm gonna purposely avoid all the designated bike paths like the what is it called again? The San Diego River Trail, or also known as the Mountain Sea Trail. I showed it last episode, talking about if I should take that route or not, but I think it's a little bit too narrow. Where even though you can stick with 6+ feet apart from everyone else and social distance, technically, since you're breathing harder as you're exercising, it's best to stay 10 to 12+ feet apart. Especially, I mean, if you saw in the last episode, I was breathing pretty heavily. Sorry, internet. Learning my lessons. Switch one more lane. Can't talk. Fun fact, every time I switch lanes, I have to completely focus. I mean, I'm always focusing while I'm driving, but I can't talk at all, or try not to, and then I get distracted. I can sing, coincidentally enough, but can't talk. So sometimes I feel bad. Oftentimes I feel bad because, you know, mid-conversation with people in my car, or on the phone especially, speaker on the phone, I'm not, you know, looking at my phone or wearing headphones, but yeah, mid-conversation, and then I have to abruptly stop it or pause it because I have to switch lanes, so might come off as rude, but I try to be as accommodating as possible. I need to switch my lanes. Pause. Okay. See, that was one example. University exit. Oh, I gotta go one more lane. Ah! Sorry. See, this is why I can't talk while switching lanes. Almost missed my exit. Okay. Exiting University right now. Off the 73 South. Let's see. The San Diego River Trail does look so nice. Dang it. Yeah, we'll see what happens. I mean, there's a designated bike path on the streets. I'd probably take this. Looks like there's no one here. Construction around the area. Oh no, I see a cyclist over there. Oh, there's no way I can bike this. There's only one lane. You would have to bike on the sidewalk. No, it's not possible. Going up. She lights me up. Sunlight streaming in every morning, lighting up all your corners. I will dream for you. Damn, the roads here are so messed up. I mean, it makes sense. It's a good time to start working on it, as literally no one's driving. Why did I say literally? I said literally. There's people driving now. I'm driving now. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah, why not? Let's just turn right onto campus. See the parking lot situation. Normally I would go straight, try to find parking somewhere on University and maybe Harvard. I think that's across streets. But, oh, hello, cyclist. Oh, he looks so happy. He looks so happy. Alright. Let's go the other lane because I don't wanna startle him. Okay, let's go back. He was just smiling and biking, living his life. That's fun. I'll join you soon, Mr. Biker. Alright, I'm at West Peltison in campus. Let's just turn right. This is the student, what is it called again? Oh, it's been so long. Student service? No. What is this? Student Center Parking Structure, SCPS. I don't know. What is the current state of this parking structure? Dang, there's no cars here. How does this work? Is someone even working here? Okay, let's just turn in. What do I get here? Oh, am I even allowed here? Am I allowed? Hello.
Hey.
Hi, is there free parking in general?
Yeah, like we're not charging you.
Oh, okay, cool, because I just want to bike around if that's okay.
Yeah, you're good.
Cool, thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, shoot. All right, well, fellow YouTube people, if you want to park at UCI, you can. I have to get my bike from the left side, so I got to make sure the left side's cleared. All right, well. Awesome. Awesome possum. Alright, guess I'll park here. Oh, that's cool. Ah. Okay. I wonder if can you see me assemble my bike? Yeah, I'll just leave the GoPro on running. I'm so glad I did this. I'll leave the door open so you can see maybe if I can just... Is that better? Okay. Dream for you. I'm just gonna assemble my bike and switch over to using the chest mount from there. Alright, stay tuned. Oh, I gotta get my tool. Oh, wait. At the ceiling, such a beautiful feeling going up. Am I in the shot? Let's move it. She breaks me up, she lifts me up through the shy. She shows me Day Street, Georgia Street, miles below me, up where the world won't let us down. Na, 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 na. Alright, that's it for assembling my bike. Oh, this is my backpack, by the way. I don't know if I showed you last time. Okay. Gotta stay safe. Can't describe perfect sundown. See she breaks me up. Perfection. Wanna reach the end. The beautiful fiction. Through time. Back in the train. At the ceiling, going up, yeah. All right, I'm gonna stop you for now. See you on the bike ride. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start biking now. Thank you again. Where do I want to go? I guess it's an empty campus, so oh shoot, this is gonna be a different experience. All right, well, whoo. Okay. The hill. Ariana used to work here. Hi, Ariana. I know you're gonna watch this part of the video. Oh shoot. Oh crap. Oh, that hurt. Going up. I could try to practice my wheelies. No, I'm too scared. Okay. Irvine Barclay Theater. I saw James Franco over here do an interview. Oh, shoot, man. This brings back so many memories. I'm not good at riding downstairs yet, so. Oh, that hurt. Look, that's me. Hello. Oh, there's a ramp. There was a ramp. Oh, holy cow. If I get a ticket today, I've never gotten a bike ticket before in UCI. If I get one today, I'll be so sad. And I guess checking off something from the bucket list, even though it's not something I want to check off. Okay, let's go back around. We're gonna go through a nostalgia trip, y'all. Tell you about my college life. Flagpoles over here. As you can see, self-explanatory. Flagpoles. A lot of times you'd pick up people here. It's the designated spot. Dance teams would perform over here. And then their audience would sit on the stairs here. Oh, wow. So many memories. All right, let's go down. Oh, I almost fell. That would have been embarrassing. Is it recording? Yep. Let's go right. Lot 1 parking lot. Going up. Did my seat get lower? Might have to fix that. Wow. This is crazy. Sad, but crazy. What the heck? Is that a stray dog? Oh no. Its owner is on the right side. Oh, stop. You know, I'm just gonna stop here. There's a cop car. Hello, cop car. Hello. Gotta be safe. Safe and sorry. She shows me School of Law on the left. Never been there. Oh, hello. Oh my gosh. We're hitting up Middle Earth. Fun fact. I see. Keep note of that staircase over there on the right. I was longboarding first year of college, trying to do a sharp left turn on this hill going down. Oh look, Middle Earth. Hi, Middle Earth. Going down, I completely ate it, just crashed, and I landed on my wrist down that way, and it was dislocated a bit right here. And then a friend of mine, a hallmate, just pushed it back in. Crazy. And then we just chilled right at the staircase right here. We just sat down here with me crying over the pain. Good times. All right, let's go explore Middle Earth. I used to live here in the dorms. Is there time to go to VDC too, maybe? Let's see. Freaky, who cares? Middle Earth. Oh, wow. Now let's go uphill. I'm on my fixed gear again, Wasabi. So I only have one gear on me. Okay. This used to be Pippin's dining hall. Big dining area. I guess they're changing it to something. I don't know what exactly. Let's see. Middle Earth resident houses, housing services, or administration. This is where if you ordered stuff online, it would get delivered here. Just pick it up. I don't know if you got a good angle of that, but there it is. Middle Earth administration. All right, we're gonna go to my old dorm. Wow, so much changed. Okay. Oh, man. We're hitting up Snowborn. Snow bunnies. Snow bunnies. Oh man, I used to live here. It's a Snowborn hall right here on the right side. Let me go ahead and turn. I used to live right here in this hall. Nah. Wow. There's just an empty scooter here chilling. Huh. Hello. Wow. There's some memories there I want to share, but not to you all. Feel free to text or call me in private to talk more about that matter. Oh, I'm gonna hit the tree. Let's go this way. Can't describe. Zot zot. Burp, burp. If you're doing a zot zot like this, you're doing it wrong. You're supposed to have the nose. Bloop bloop. Bloop bloop. Zot zot. Oh wow. Oh wow. What's up here? Oh, wait, are there people living here? Oh shoot, I'm sorry if I'm disrupting y'all. Morning. No skateboarding, rollerblading, roller skating. Okay, I guess I could bike. Huh. I don't really remember this place too much. Okay, we're gonna go down the bike path lane from the, what parking structure is that called again? Anteater parking structure, APS? Middle Earth parking structure, MEPS? Yeah, we're just gonna go down that way. Took right, and let's go down to actual Aldrich Park. She lights me up. Whew. You hear that noise and that whip? It's because I'm skidding. Okay, this is the path I would take. We would park here. I'd bike or longboard to school, to class here, take this route. It would lead directly to Aldrich Park. Ah, good times. Woo! Oh, I feel like I'm in college again. 10. Oh, there's people. Just gotta watch out. Oh man. The ceiling. Hello. Beautiful feeling. Going up. Oh yeah. Good times. Am I going too fast? Oh, there's a cyclist. Hello. Oh, gotta slow down. Okay. Let's see. This is a Phoenix food court on the right side. Good place to just get like a quick snack, quick meal for lunch or between classes. Studied here sometimes. They had good Wi-Fi. Not good, I'd say, but decent Wi-Fi. Yeah, Phoenix food court. Wow. We are closed. That's me in the camera. This is what a track stand looks like. I don't know if you can see it well, but see how my feet are not touching the floor? I balance the bicycle upright by going forward and backwards. And you can do stuff like this, no hands. Once you get good balance. Wow. All right. In front of us you have Aldrich Park. Dang, it's never been this empty before. Where should I hook to? Let's hook left. Aldrich Park. It's just this whole circle park around in the middle of campus. And all the buildings and classes are all around the circle. My head dreams she's driving. All right, uphill. Head. What building is this again? Rolling Hall. It's called Rolling Hall, baby. Math and stuff building. Took my math classes here. Also, one of my first jobs was in here, teaching people computer science, my major. Let's continue down. Nostalgia Road. Don't wanna reach the end. Oh, it's so empty. Okay, let's see. Schneiderman Hall on the left. Wait, did I pass Did I pass my computer science building? What's in the back? I'm not sure. Another food court here. Oh, I think this is where I almost got into a crash with my longboard. I got into so many, or almost so many crashes with my longboard. Okay, let's focus. Oh, hello. We're taking a little photo shoot. Okay. Murray Krieger Hall. No rush. No rush. Which one is this? Business engineering? Is this my building? Oh, it's been so long. Jack Langston Library? No, this is the library. Social sciences. Back when I was in Cava Bayan, Filipino club, we would study over there, or not study, but I'm out of breath already. We would practice dances for the I forget what it's called, PACIN, Filipino American Culture Night. Oh, I did pass it. It was in the very beginning. We just did a full circle, by the way. This is where I would spend most of my college days. Computer science right here. Practically lived here for all my 3 to 4 years here. Computer science. I don't know if you can see that. It's an old building, but good tech inside. Let's take a tour. It's been what? I don't want to disclose how many years it's been since I graduated, but these planters didn't used to be here. It was just all empty. Wow. School days. I would go up over here, enter through this door on the right, go upstairs, and that's where our computer labs were. It was cool because even if I didn't know that many people, all of us would be up there, all our classmates, doing the same assignment. We would just help each other out. That's where I made a lot of my good friends, ICS friends. Ugh. Let's get a better, closer look at the sign. Here it is, computer science. That's what I do now. Some computer science stuff, coding, web development, full stack, all fun. Wow. Huh. Where do I want to go now? Is there an easier way to get down to Aldrich Park? I think I can go this way. Back into bed on Monday. Eyes I can't describe. Can I go this way? No, I'd have to go up. Okay, let's go up. Okay. Hopefully I don't get caught. We're gonna go this way. Look left.
Look, to the left.
Edge of morning. Okay. I would often longboard down this trail here to get from one of my classes in Donald Bren Hall. It's an engineering hall. And then go down to my computer science classes where I showed you just recently back there. interim classroom facilities. Sunday. Okay, I think. Where do I go? Then, can I go down? I guess I'd have to go straight, hit up the street area. Yeah, let's do that. Nostalgia ride. Don't want to reach the end. I wonder if I could just do a full tour of just Ring Road. So we have Aldrich Park in the inside of the circle, and then this whole circle is overlapped by or outlined with Ring Road. What's going on here? Hello. Thank you. Yeah, Ring Road. Just like the name says, it's just a ring around the park, and it's a road. Ring Road. Oh, biking. Saturday, Sunday. Oh, we're good. We could bike all day here. Heck yeah. I think there's this one place where it's a natural, not natural, but physics phenomenon where if you stand in the center of it and speak, you hear your voice echo around. I think that's it. Natural sciences. Yeah, natural sciences. So I'll go ahead and do that just now. Should be over here. I don't know if it'll capture it on the GoPro, but might as well try it. So if you stand in the center of this, let me turn off my music. And you speak. Hello, echo. I don't know if that's crazy to you, but it's crazy to me. Literally, the noise is coming all around me, even behind me. It's natural science. It's 2 o'clock on the edge of the morning. It's probably a good place to practice for singing, as you can really hear how you sound. Da-na-na, da-na-na-na, da-na-na-da-da-da. Then I'm back in a dream, looking up at the ceiling, going up. She lights me up, she breaks me up, she lifts me up. Let me show you what it looks like. 2 o'clock on the edge. That's what it looks like. Let's get a cool shot somehow. I wonder if I can take a picture here. Because my bike also looks like the background. Oh, I almost shot my phone. Natural sciences. Yeah, that's a sick shot. Okay, let's go continue exploring. The end. Okay. Good morning. This is nice. This is really nice. Driving. Oh, let's go bike on a smoother road. It's gonna shake up the GoPro as I do not have a gyro attached. Oh, that hurt. This cry. Oftentimes you see people selling $2 bobas here. Oh, this is the science library. in the Biological Sciences lecture hall. Got a good lot of lectures up in here. But yeah, the science library. Let me show you a better view of it. Up, she lights me up. Yeah, the song's on repeat. Up by Sing Street, or from Sing Street. Science library. It had another name, but I don't want to talk about that. So there's a rumor or something where if you stand in the middle over here and you look up, it's supposed to look like something. All right, end the conversation there. Let's continue. Dream. Looking up at the ceiling. I feel like that guy from earlier who was biking and smiling. That's me now, man. We should meet up. Catch me on my YouTube. That's me. Also, I think the whole perimeter of Ring Road. Perimeter? Circumference? Oh shoot, I forgot the difference now. No, I think it's perimeter. Just the outer layer of it. It's about 1 mile or a little bit less than a mile. So oftentimes people just run here, keep track of the laps as each lap is a mile. I think this building over here is one of the very first buildings I've actually been in when coming to UCI. What is this called again? I took one of my math entry classes here. The Humanities Instructional Building, HIB. And then if you go down this way, sorry about the brick road. The GoPro footage might be a little bit shaky, but sorry. Unless you give me $300, I won't have a gyro. UCI Arts over here. Fun fact, we shot a little music video, second year of college, with some old roommates of mine, some best friends of mine, some friends of mine. Okay, I'll stop. Take it to UCI Arts. Also take it to Mesa as well. Mesa is another dormitory housing area. As I've lived in Middle Earth, we've always had this rivalry against Mesa people, but we're all good friends. Let's see. In circles around my head. Yeah, Claire Trevor Theater. Oh wow. This is where I saw, what was this, first year of college? What's that Broadway or the musical called? It's like one of the songs is, it's the bitch of a living. Spring Awakening? Is that what it's called? Some of my RA's friends were in it, and oh my goodness, they were incredible. We watched that show twice here. So good. Back when I had student discounts. Now everything's too expensive. Dang, so much has changed. Lifts me up. Java City hand roasted coffee? Woo! Affection, wanna reach the end. Beautiful's fiction. 10, back in a dream. Looking up at the ceiling. Okay, let's take a quick break. I could have brought my ukulele. Maybe I'll bring my ukulele here. There's literally no one. Maybe next week. Okay, hold on. I gotta check the battery of my GoPro. Let's see. Oof, it's a little bit less than half. 27. Oh shoot. Hold up. I gotta charge my GoPro. Street, Georgia Street, miles below me. Won't let us down. Nah. 83%. Okay, that's good. Okay. Edge of the morning, circles around my head. into here. Where is the... Is it here? Yep. Is this the plug? Is that way? No. Okay. I think it's charging now. Let's see. Let's continue. Okay, let's explore. Oh, people are playing volleyball? Clock on the edge of the morning. It's Mesa for you. My head. College youth just trying to enjoy during this quarantine life. Hopefully they don't talk to anyone else. Greed out Monday. The eyes I can't describe. Perfect Sunday. Everything is more real than life. Then come back in a tree. Lock. Oh, wait. Ah, crap. This is a good one. Maybe I'll timestamp this in the video. Does this look familiar to anyone? Technically, the only person who would know is Ariana Lago. There you go. I'll stay here a little bit so you can see the camera angles. Nostalgia. Did you live in Lago, Ariana? It's been so long. I know Rachel and Julian and Jenny? I'm not sure if Jenny did. Nicole? No, I don't think Nicole did. It's been way too long. But, alright, some nostalgia for you. Don't worry, we'll go on another nostalgia route if I make it up there. It's kind of an uphill. We'll see if I do it or not. This is a dead end. Sierra. It's probably a dead end. Dang it. What's over here? Not really too familiar with this place. Me. Ooh. Oh, lighthouse. I mean, I could do BDC. That's an uphill. That's gonna take me roughly around from here to there. And it's an uphill too, where I don't have gears. How long is that gonna take me? 25 minutes? And it's already been 27 minutes recording here. No, I still want to show Ring Road. It'll be a video for another day. Now we know that we could just chill and park here. Estrella! Wait. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, Estrella. Oh, I've been here way too many times. Alright, we'll stop the conversation there. Camino. God damn it. I forgot about these memories. Oh gosh. Oh, yeah. How do I get out of here? Let me leave. Oh my gosh, let's go this way. I'm just randomly biking now. See you, Dad. I'll see you too. Let's see. Oh crap, there's a lot of berries. Ooh, what's this area? Can I go down here? I want to go back on Ring Road. Oh crap, this is a steep hill, kind of. Oh, I'll use my brakes because my leg strike isn't good enough. Oh, it's the parking lot. Okay. Too bad. Any cars? Nope, we're chill. Ow! This is the Mesa bike shop, I think. Small bike shop. Expensive stuff though. Freaking thieving. Okay, we're back into the student center parking structure. That's where I parked my car. I don't want to leave quite yet, so let's just go one more time on Ring Road. Imperfection. The end. Let's go over here. We'll see another place where the dance groups would also perform too. Oh, wait, that's a nice up hill to Aldrich Park, but we've already seen it. Here it is. These are the staircases where people will perform. Up there. I think this first is gonna go up. Let's go this way, because he might come down the other way. I knew it. Hello. Ow. That's me. It's 2 o'clock on the edge. Well, food court area, Panda Express, Wendy's. That's me again. We got the stage. Oh, this is where we turn up and drink. The Anthill Pub and Grill. They got the stoner tots too. Pretty much it's just tater tots, steak, meat, other stuff. Oh crap, okay. We're going into nostalgia zone. These tables over here, not specifically these tables, but this area at least, we would call that the Kava tables. Because that's where the Kava members would hang out. All right, this is the front entrance of the hill. Crazy. The hill, books, everything UCI plus more. Some people would not actually buy the books and just go down to where the books were and secretly take pictures. I was not one of those people. We hit up Aldrich Park on the left side, or sorry, Aldrich Hall. It's where all the finance administration stuff is, FAFSA, all that kind of good stuff. Whew. Yeah, Aldrich Hall over here. Imperfection. All right, I think what I'll do is I'm gonna do one more ride around actual Ring Road. And then my next trip will be more of exploring around campus, on the outskirts of campus, on the streets to the left of me. All right, let's go. Yeah. See you in 4 minutes. No, wait, 5 minutes. No, 6 minutes to do a mile. Maybe 8. I'm tired. All right. Wow. Holy cow. What the heck? Hold up. Do you see what I'm seeing? On the left here, look at Brandywine, y'all. Brandywine's popping. Look at these, dude. Dude, this is Middle Earth housing now. What the fudge? This used to be all empty. Holy shoot. Hold on, let me get a sense though. What? What? Crazy, I need a fart. Oh, that was a silent fart. Gotta bike fast so I didn't smell it. What the heck? That's crazy. You motherfucker, dude. Oh, that was my fault. Actually, I'm going way too fast. Whew. That was good. Pretty much full circle. That was a fun nostalgia trip. Who knows? Probably go around again next time. Spring up some more memories. Especially the places outside of campus, like I mentioned beforehand. VDC, ARC, VDC Norte. What else? Maybe some food places around. Maybe on the way to Northwood Irvine, where I used to live too. Hit up Jeffrey Road on there. That'll be a good nostalgia trip. In the meantime, we are heading home. On Monday, eyes I can't describe. This has been a lot of fun. Let's go this way, actually. What's over here? Nothing. Okay. That was fun. And, all right, well, it's going to be it for the end of this ride. Thanks for staying tuned and watching. Don't forget to leave. That's it. Don't forget to leave. Goodbye.